Hey guys, what's going on? So as you can see, this is my first VR video, which I'm pretty excited about, and we're playing Rec Room, and this is actually a horror game. I don't really know much about it, but joining me today are um we have Isaiah over there. Or first of all, we're gonna go with Dakota. There we go. One fun fact about Dakota is that he's pretty cute. All
Oh.
right.
Oh.
All right. Yeah. All right, and next up we have Sanul, who's going to be joining us. One fun fact about him is that he likes llamas. So yeah, that's actually his username.
Oh, he's in love with him.
Yeah.
Nah.
All right, and
For
next
what?
up is Isaiah.
For what?
And one fun fact about him is that he has a
Out of
gaming
what?
channel. And actually, after this, you should check
What
Isaiah
thing?
out.
What do you
'cause,
want?
He posts content similar to me. You know, he has gaming videos and stuff. So yeah, make sure to check him
And
out.
I got a big dick.
Oh yeah, that's another fact about him. I mean, not that I would know.
Yeah.
But you know, I mean.
Yeah, bro.
low-key.
Yeah, totally.
All right, anyways.
Last night we did.
All right. Ayo. All
What are you
right.
doing in
So
What's wrong with you?
Alright, to start off, we'll have me as the killer, and you three can go on.
all right.
Okay.
So,
Wait, what
wait,
is
no,
this?
no yet. Okay. You're gonna just constantly make noise like every 10-20 seconds, because other than if you don't do that, it's gonna be impossible to find you.
Okay.
You're very laggy.
Oh.
Right?
So it's
Just
basically like
tell
Dead
him
by
what I said.
Daylight, right? It's kind of like Dead by
Okay,
Daylight.
so
Yeah, but no, it's not. There's no generate. You just have to hide for a long enough time. But you gotta
Okay.
constantly make noise, because it's impossible to find you if you don't.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, I can point. Yo, I
So
can
just,
point.
like,
Oh, I can't
talk.
point.
Oh.
Okay.
So just talk and stuff, okay, guys? Every
Alright.
10-20
Black
seconds.
guy. There's a black
Go.
guy.
Yeah, I'll go through the hider door.
Okay. Go.
Oh shoot. Oh wait, hold on. We got a shotgun here. There you go. Wait, can we kill
Oh.
people? Oh wait, hold on. Let's stick together. Wait, so can we actually kill him?
find you.
Hey, yo, we...
will kill you.
Oh shoot. Okay. This is actually scary. This is low-key. Oh shoot.
You should be scared for your life.
Hey yo. I hate that noise. It sounds like spiders. Oh shoot. Is that?
No, don't do it. I'm a virgin.
Oh no. Hey yo, wait. Did I get you?
Yo, wait, where are you, Ethan?
I'm not sure. I died. Oh shoot! Why did you respawn? Why did you? Oh my gosh.
Come out, wherever you are.
Oh my god, that echo is creepy.
I wanna play with you.
Oh.
All right, so hey, where are you guys at? Oh shoot! I just heard someone get murdered. I hear music. I hear spooky music. Oh shoot! I think he's up there. Oh shoot! No. Hey, yo, Loki, I'm just gonna start running. That chainsaw noise is scary.
Oh, yo,
Oh,
Ethan.
there we are. Oh, there. Oh, finally. Oh, shoot. Alright, we just gotta run as fast as possible.
No, he caged me in here. He baited me.
What?
Wait, what? What happened? Wait, what happened?
Okay,
Wait.
the gate's open. Apparently there's a
Yo.
trap that y'all can set
Hey, yo.
me in.
Oh, really? Hey, yo, what happened? Are we supposed to go down there? Isaiah, what happened?
He's above us now.
I'm not sure if Isaiah did
Oh, I
that or
think
not,
that
'cause
just,
he
like,
just
leaves
jumped,
you,
he just
like,
jumped down there and
having-
disappeared.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. That was actually low-key scary. Also, what?
Your computer. Hello. Hey. Ethan.
Hey, oh, Isaiah. Thank goodness. Oh shoot, no! Oh my gosh. That is actually the scariest thing ever. Like, low-key.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh shoot, why did you... I literally spawned right next to the killer.
Right around the corner.
How do you jump? Okay.
Hey yo, Isaiah, behind you. Hey yo, oh god, oh
Jesus,
shoot, we
okay.
all... Okay.
Yo.
Oh, what is that?
What are we supposed to do?
Why do you have like a wizard staff?
Come here. Follow me.
Oh, no.
Follow me.
Oh. I got killed again.
No!
Isaiah! Come out, wherever you are.
Oh, it's just a lantern.
No. I do not consent.
I don't want to be violated today. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! You just ran right past me, Dakota. Or like not past me, but I saw you down the hallway, and I'm scared for my life now.
No.
Okay.
Wait. How do you like turn this off?
I don't think there's a way to do that.
There is.
Oh wait, no, you can let go of it. Hey,
I
do
love
you
her
want-
something normally. It's like freaking like screams at death. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah, you know there's like a
oh.
whole out. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Dip! Dip! Dip!
Yo.
Dip! Dip! Dip!
Yo, chill.
All right, let me turn that off.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh shoot! Oh. Oh my gosh! I didn't
What? I
realize.
fell somewhere.
Oh, look at this! I got 2 lights, boys. I can't see anything. It's... Oh my! Oh
hello?
God! Why? Why?
Yo, did they got a shotgun? It was bright.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Are you out here?
Guys, there's a new monster, by the way.
Open. Open.
Oh
Open.
shoot!
Guys, I'm a
Yeah,
human
Jesus.
now.
Okay.
Nah, it's
So
Cap.
wait, is Sinul
Don't
Sinul
cap.
the killer now?
I have a little light thing. I don't know what this is.
Wait, wait. Is Sinul the killer now?
I think so. I see like went in and
Yo, Ethan, let's watch movies, dog. Yo.
Oh yeah, let's watch some movies.
Yo, let's
I don't even know how to kill you. What the heck?
Yo, bro.
Wait, hold on, let me
Is that
look
a
this
new
up.
video?
running for my life.
Yo, Zara, is it bro, our new video, bro? Rec room.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wait, hold on.
Hey,
Guys,
What is that?
yeah.
I'm scared.
I'm scared for my life too.
Yeah,
I don't want to get violated by that chainsaw again.
I kind of
Give me the
like
stick.
violated.
Give me the stick of truth. Give me the stick of
No,
truth.
my stick. No, my stick.
I got
Give
2
me,
flashlights.
if you don't give me the stick, I'm gonna take this candle and we'll put it in their places you don't like.
Oh shoot! Oh,
Is that bad?
Ayo, ayo. I mean, don't that mean? Oh, what the heck?
Oh, you win. You win. Toss it over.
Okay, let's go beat him with it.
All right.
Let's go.
Here,
my
you want this
candle!
flashlight?
You
Wait,
thief!
wait.
Get my candle! You candle thief.
All right.
It's my
Oh wait,
candle,
the
Ethan.
candle's right there.
Oh,
all right, all right. We
oh,
gotta
okay.
beat the killer with our sticks.
How do we beat him?
Sanu.
Well, there was
Oh,
that
it's an
shotgun,
echo,
but I
that's
guess we
not it.
can't use it.
It's a 3-on-1. We shouldn't be scared.
Yeah, bro. come
Yeah,
on,
but he has a
beat that.
chainsaw. I don't even know where
No, he
is,
doesn't.
though.
I'm pretty sure he's. No, I'm pretty sure he's the abuela. He has a
Yo, we
chancla.
can ju-
What?
No,
Yo!
What did you say?
serious. He has a
There's a
chancla.
chunk,
Like
dog.
quite literally.
Chocolate, dog.
Oh.
You better yeet that like freaking
Cool.
Captain America. Or like Captain Mexico.
Oh, hey, yo, I need to take a
Yo,
dump.
bro. Y'all want to take
Hey,
a
wait,
shower
hold
with
on.
me,
Is this a
dog?
bath?
Let's go.
Is
Yo,
this like a
let's take-
bathtub or a shower thingy?
Yo, what? Who?
Hey, yo,
takes
hold on, I'm
the
gonna take a
poop like
dump
this?
real
Who? Bro, oh yeah, I got you.
Bring-
I got you.
Oh, hey, 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 hey.
Oh shoot! No, no. Hey, what was that? What did he touch us with? I'm scared. Slashers killed all runners.
Hello there.
Oh no, no! Into the bushes. Oh.
Hey,
Huh?
Ethan.
Ethan!
Turn around.
Ethan!
Oh shoot! Okay.
Alright,
All right, let's stick together.
Okay, so together, like Scooby Doo. Let's go. Yeah, I don't like that.
You hear
Scooby-Doo.
that?
Yeah.
Yo, y'all want?
There's just a distant scream.
Yeah.
That is disturbing.
Nah,
Alright.
bro, that was my ex Karen, dude. That was my ex Karen. It's fine. We're
Oh.
good. She cheated on me with the janitor. We're good, bro. She,
Oh,
she deserved it. All right, so where now?
Yo,
Yo.
Hey, yo, hey, do you guys wanna
Let's
take a
watch
shower
my
together?
new YouTube
mean,
video.
what?
Come on. Let's.
Alright, we're gonna watch the newest upload.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, yo, but like for real, do you
I'll-
want to like take a shower together?
That boy sus.
Hell yeah, let's go. Come
Oh,
on.
yeah,
Let's go,
yeah.
bro.
Let's
Say
go.
less. Let's go. Hold on,
Hey, yo,
what's
let's
that?
do this. Yo, where's the bathroom?
No, it's not the bathroom. We're like, okay, it's not the bathroom, but we're getting probably closer.
I'm behind you.
Is it
Oh.
Yeah, what's
Oh,
up,
let's
Ethan?
go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, Sunil, get in here.
Yo, we go,
Sunil, come in here.
Yo,
I'm
yo,
coming.
let me-
Let's all
me-
take a shower
Real
together.
quick, bro. Oh
Hey, yo.
yeah, dude.
Let's go.
Yeah, bro's gonna clean you up and down. Yeah.
Yeah, we got some
Oh, yeah.
light to like help with the mood. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
got that jazz music. Yeah. Who
Got
just
the
wait,
nice jazz.
Can we clap? Yeah, we can clap.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, oh shoot. Yo, dip. Oh.
Bro, we taking a shower, bro. Bro, why you vibrant food like that?
Yo.
What was that? What you do there?
I don't know. I just flicked the switch. Can I flick it back up?
Oh wait. Yo.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Hey yo, wait, hold on. I'm gonna try something.
Yo, bombs up.
Oh shoot. Oh. Okay.
Yo, Ethan.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, let's just swap around. Hey shoot.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey yo, let's go. Oh shoot.
Okay.
Hey yo, wait, Isaiah, I'm behind you.
Oh, thank you. I found you. I got a shotgun. Look.
Oh nice. Hey yo.
Where are you?
Alright, next time we see him, let's just pop him. Alright. Hey yo.
Yeah, dude. What's the lever? Yeah, we're calling. I can't talk. Jesus
Hey yo.
Christ.
Yeah. Honestly, it's kind of boring if we don't have a way to fight back. So. Hey, yo, shoot.
True.
Oh wait. Hey, yo,
Bring that
hey,
ass here, boy. Bring them cheeks. Oh, okay, can't.
Wait, we want to clap them cheeks. Oh,
Wanna clap them cheeks? Damn right.
we got the 12 gauge.
Lockers.
All right, let's see who we're.
Where's Dakota at? You know? Oh,
no.
yo.
Oh,
Yo,
wait,
I saw you.
hold
Get
on.
your ass over here.
Person up ahead. Oh shoot! Oh.
Did you get him?
Yeah. Isaiah got him. Alright, he's not gonna be happy about that. Alright, guys. So this is the end of this game. I'm not sure if
Slasher
I'll
House.
make it its own video.
Subscribe to
I'll
Limitless
put
Game.
it into. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, this is the end of the video.
Shing.
Hopefully you enjoyed it. I didn't get to be the killer, but maybe next time. Actually, I think next time we'll try playing it again and we'll bring some more people in. But yeah. Anyways, I
Oh,
hope you
that'd
guys
be
enjoyed.
insane.
Wait, guys, say bye. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
I love all of you. Give me all.
What was that?
I see the evil inside you. 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 I see the